Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Learn for Easy Learn. So in the previous video, we have already completed question 1 and 2 of 6.2 exercise. So today we are going to do question number 3 of 6.2 exercise. So if you didn't go through that video, please go and check and after that come back to watch this video. Okay. Now question number 3, add without using number line. In last two questions we completed using number line. So in this question we have to do the sums without number line. So first question is 11 plus minus 7. 11 plus minus 7. We have already informed you two signs came continuously, then that means that is multiplication. And we already informed you also that minus into minus is equal to plus, plus into plus is equal to plus. This is for multiplication. And minus into plus is equal to minus, plus into minus is equal to minus. This is for multiplication. Okay, so already we have informed you in the previous video also. I have informed you again this one. I have cleared you this one again here. So again clear here 11 plus minus minus 7. Now what we have to do? This is simple one. You are doing this in class 2 onwards, that how to do subtraction. Same type of question only. But in other questions it will be different. So here in the previous class you used to do 11 minus 7 means 11 minus 7 4. Isn't it? But here from this class onwards negative integers also is there. So here some rules has to be applied. So what are the rules? If the rule, that is if any number addition or subtraction, if in the case of addition and subtraction we have to follow this rule. That is, if the two numbers are of positive integers, then what we have to do? We have to add, we have to do the plus. And what will be the sign? It will be bigger one. Means here both are positive, so positive sign will be there. If both the numbers are of negative numbers or of minus numbers, again we will do addition only, but the sign will be bigger one. That is, here both are same, so minus will be here. Okay, if both the numbers are minus, then sign will also be minus. Plus and plus, if both the numbers are plus, then we will do plus and the sign will be plus. If both the numbers are of minus sign, we will do plus but the sign will be minus. Now if one number is plus and the other one is minus, then what will we do? We will do minus, subtraction, and we will put the signature sign of bigger one. We will put the sign of bigger one. And if both the numbers are of minus and plus, if one is minus and other one is plus, again same rule will be applied. That is, we will do subtraction and put the sign of bigger one. Bigger one. So in this, if you learn this one and if you apply this question, you will understand very clearly. So here this 11 means that is plus. So plus 11 minus 7. One is plus, one is minus. What we will do? We will do minus and put the sign of bigger one. That is 11 minus 7, 4. Minus, we have did minus subtraction and bigger number is 11. The sign of bigger one is plus. So answer will be plus 4. Okay. In this way we have to do all these questions. That is in D part. Minus 13 plus 18. So minus 13, 2 times plus into plus, plus 18. If one number is minus and the other number is plus, one number is minus, other one is plus, we will do subtraction. That is 18 and 13, subtraction. 18 minus 13 is 5. Now which symbol we have to put? Bigger one. So in both these numbers, 18 is the bigger number. So we will take the sign of plus. That is plus 5. Okay. Now question number C, minus 10 plus 19. That is minus 10 plus into plus here. These both symbols are coming continuously. So we will apply the rule of multiplication. So plus into plus 19. Now one number is minus, other is plus. Minus plus we will do minus. That is 19 and 10 minus 9. And bigger some number, that is 19 sign is plus. So we will put the symbol as sign as plus. That is the answer is plus 9. Now the question number D. Minus 250 plus 150. That's it. So minus 250 means minus 250. Plus into plus, plus 150. One is minus, other one is plus. One is minus, other one is plus. So we will do subtraction minus. So 250 minus 150. What is the answer of 250 minus 150? 100. 100, and we will put the sign of bigger one. So which is the bigger number here? 250. So the sign is minus. The answer is minus 100. Minus 380 plus minus 270. So minus 380, we will put the minus 380 as it is. Plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus, minus. So minus 270. If both the numbers are of minus, if both the numbers are of minus sign, we have to do addition and put the sign of bigger one. So we have to do the addition. That is how much? 300, 200, 500, 580, 590, 600, 650. So answer is 650. We have to put the sign of bigger one. Here both are of same sign. So we will put the sign as minus. Both are of minus sign only. So answer is minus 650. Okay. F part. Minus 217 plus minus 100. So minus 217 plus minus 100. If both the numbers are of same sign, that is minus and minus, we have to do addition and put the sign of bigger one. So we have to do addition, that is 317, 217 plus 100, that is 317, and we have to put the sign of bigger one. So both are of same sign, and bigger one is 217, the sign of this one is minus. So answer is minus 317. Now question number 4. Find the sum of all these numbers. So first question is again the same type of question only, 137 and minus 354. So what we have to do? Sum. Sum means addition only. So 137 plus minus 354. That means 137 plus into minus, minus 354. Now we have to do subtraction. One is plus, other one is minus. So what we will do? One is plus, other one is minus, means we have to do subtraction. So 137 minus 354. So we will be getting the answer as 217. Minus, the sign will be bigger one. That is 354 is a bigger number. So we will put the number sign as minus. So minus 217. Minus 52 and 52. So here also we will do the same thing. Minus 52 plus 52. So minus 52 plus 52 means one is minus, one is plus. What we will do? Minus and plus means we will do subtraction and put the number of sign of bigger one. So here both the numbers minus and plus means we have to do subtraction. 52 minus 52, that is 0. We don't have to put any sign for 0 because in 0 we don't have to put minus or plus or anything. So we have just write 0 only. Minus 52 plus 52. If numbers are of same, both are same numbers and sign are of different, then the answer will be 0. If minus 5 plus 5, then 0. 5 minus 5, 0. If both the numbers are same and the signs are of opposite one, then the answer will be 0. So minus 52 plus 52 will be 0. Next question is minus 312 plus 39 and 192. So minus 312 plus 39 plus 192. So minus 312, since this number is negative 1 and these both are a positive 1. So first we can complete this positive, this addition. That would be better. Otherwise you can do like this also. If 300 minus 312 and 39 also, I will do that way also. First let us do this one. Both are of plus sign. So we can do the addition of both these numbers continue directly. By 39 plus 192, that is 231. Now we have to subtract. One is minus number, the other one is plus number. So what we have to do? If minus and plus means we have to do subtraction. So again we have to do the subtraction. Here So minus 312 plus 231. So what will be the answer? And put the sign of minus 1. So 81 and put the sign of bigger number, that is a minus. So minus 81 is the answer. You can do in another way also. Minus 312 plus 39 plus 192. First we can do the sum of this one. One is minus, one is plus. So we have to do subtraction and put the number sign of bigger one. So minus 273 plus 192. So minus 312 plus 39, that is minus 273 plus 192. This we have to bring it as it is. Now minus 273 plus 192 is equal to 81 and the bigger number is 273. So we have to put the sign of minus 81. In this also you can get the answer. Now next question is minus 50, minus 200 and 300. So first we have to do minus 50 plus minus 200 plus 300. That is minus 50 plus minus minus 200 plus 300. So first both the numbers are of minus sign. So we have to do addition. Because both are minus, we have to do addition and bigger number sign. So minus 50 and minus 200 means if you add both the numbers, minus 250 plus 300. One is minus, other one is plus. One is minus, other one is plus. What we have to do? We have to do subtraction. That is 250 and 300. The answer is 50. And bigger one is plus. That is we will get the answer as plus 50. Okay. So in this way you have to do all these questions. Now next question is find the sum. Again same type. So A part. Minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. That minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. So we have to group the numbers according to their sign. So here these are of minus numbers, both these numbers, and these both are of plus sign. So we have to first complete this one. Minus 7, minus 9. Since both these numbers are of same sign, and first we have to complete this one, that is both are minus, we have to do plus, add. That is 7 and 9 we have to add, that will be 16, and the sign will be minus. If both are of minus sign, the answer will be a bigger sign, bigger one, that is 9. The sign of 9 is minus, so minus 9. And in this one, 4 plus 16, both are of addition sign, plus sign, so we have to add this. So 16 plus 4, 20, and 20, and the sign will be plus. So if one number is minus, the other number is plus, then what we have to do? Subtraction. 20 minus 16, 4, and bigger number, the sign of bigger number is plus, so answer will be plus 4. Okay, in this will be better. You can do this way also, minus 7, minus 9, that is minus 16 plus 4, that is minus 12 plus 16, that is 4. But if the number, if the question will be longer, then there may be mistakes can happen, and also it will be longer way. So this will be the shorter way by grouping the numbers. Next question is 37 plus minus 2 plus minus 65 plus minus 8. So 37 means that is positive number. Plus minus minus 2 plus minus minus 65 plus minus minus 8. Now these all the numbers are of minus sign. So we have to add all these numbers. If all are minus, then we have to do addition and bigger sign should be there. So we have to bring forward 37 as it is here. Now 2 plus 65 plus 10, 8. That is 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 65, 75. So minus 75. We have to add all these numbers, 8, 9, 10, that is, and plus 65, that is 75, and the sign will be minus. So 37 minus 75. Now one is positive, one is negative. So what we have to do now here? If one is positive, one is negative, plus and minus, that means we have to do subtraction and bigger sign. So subtraction, we have to do the subtraction here. Now the answer is 38. 37 minus 435, 75 is 38. So, which sign we have to put? Bigger number is 75. So, we have to put the sign as minus. So, minus 38 is the answer. So, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and also share with your friends and help us, support us. Thank you so much. Bye.